guys, it's Miss Tursky again. Hey, so if you were at school, we would be talking about seeds and plants right now. So I got this great new book, and it's from National Geographic, and it's called Seed to Plant. I'm not going to read the whole book right now, but I wanted to read a few pages to you, okay? So it starts off with, what is a plant? A plant is a living thing. It stays in one place, but it grows and changes just like you. So it's different than you because you can move around and a plant doesn't, but it grows and changes just like we do. Plants can be big or small. Some have flowers. Others also grow fruit. Trees are plants too. So here we got a picture of a white water lily and a fern. Some of you may have ferns out at your house. That's a tangerine tree. Tangerine's like it's a smaller orange. And an orchid. We see these a lot around Easter time in the spring. Plants are a big part of our world. Farmers grow fruits and vegetables. These plants give us food. Some plants can be used to make clothing. Your t-shirt is made from cotton plants. Other plants are cozy home for animals. So here we've got this big tractor. It's working this field that's growing all different kinds of vegetables. Here we have a farmer. He's in his cotton field. So that's where our shirts begin. They got to get that cotton from that plant. And then down here we have a bear who's inside of a tree. So he's using that plant for a home. Now, this is where I really want you to pay attention because this is parts of a plant and you're going to be doing some of this today. It says you could use your body to remember the parts of a plant, okay? So first, your feet at the bottom, those are like the roots of a plant. That's what holds the plant in the ground, or its roots, okay? Your body is like a stem. So that stem comes out of the ground. And that stem is used, that's where the water goes through from the rain or when we water our plants to get down to the roots. And then your arms are like the leaves. So roots hold the plant in the ground, the stem helps the plant stand up tall, and the leaves soak up the sunlight. So look how they're compared. Roots, stem, leaves. Okay, so what you're going to be doing today is there is a link to get this sheet that your mom or dad can print out for you, and you're going to be making a plant with all its different parts. Now, it's got a few more parts. It's got roots, stem, leaves, flower, and seeds. So let me show you one. This was actually Miss Falcon's that I went over to her classroom and borrowed that she had already done. Now she did hers on green and brown paper to show like the grass up here and then the dirt, but you can do it on just plain white paper and you could color it if you wanted to. But you're gonna start by coloring your roots, your stem, your leaves, your seeds, and your flower. So once you get it all colored and you get it all cut out, then you're going to start with your roots at the bottom, okay? And they are below the ground. And then we're going to label that one roots, okay? Above the roots is your stem. That's what holds your flower up, so it makes it stand straight and tall. So you're going to put your stem and you're going to label it stem. Afterwards, you're going to add your leaves. Okay, now the leaves, remember, they soak up the sunlight, okay, so they're very important because plants need sunlight and water to grow, so these leaves are very important. So you're going to color your leaves, glue them on, label them leaves. Now the last part is the flower. Now you can see, here's the first part, that's the flower right here, okay? So I'm going to put that on first and label it flower. Then this part right here in the middle, those are your seeds, and see how they're in the middle of that flower? And those seeds end up falling off. They move around. We'll talk about that later. But they move, is what helps grow more flowers. So you would just label above there, seeds, okay? So take this sheet out, get you another piece of paper, color, cut, glue and label. Hey, have fun with this. Maybe you and your mom or dad could plant something at your house. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.